Let us discuss about contraindications of OCPs. These contraindications are of two types: absolute contraindications and relative contraindications. Absolute contraindications and relative contraindications. Right? First we'll see absolute contraindications, then we'll see relative contraindications. The absolute contraindications, there are mainly 6 absolute contraindications. Let's see one by one. The first absolute contraindication is thromboembolic diseases, coronary diseases, cerebrovascular diseases. So if there are these diseases, then we have to discontinue the drug, right? That means we should not start at all. Okay. Second contraindication is moderate to severe hypertension. Moderate to severe hypertension. Third one is active liver disease. Active liver disease. Active liver disease. Or if there are any hepatomas. Okay. So the fourth disease is suspected. Fourth one is suspected malignancy of genitalia or breast. Suspected malignancy of genitalia and breast. Fifth one is porphyria. Sixth one is impending major surgery. So these are the 6 absolute contraindications for the use of OC pills, right? So what are the contraindications? The first one is thromboembolic disease or coronary disease or cerebrovascular disease. Second is moderate to severe hypertension. Third one is active liver disease or hepatomas. Fourth one is suspected malignancy of genitalia or breast. Fifth one is porphyria. Sixth one is impending major surgery. Okay, these are the 6 absolute contraindications. Then we will see relative contraindications. The first relative contraindication is relative contraindications in the sense we have to use these drugs with caution. That means we have to be very careful. We have to monitor the patient continuously. Okay. The first indication is diabetics. Okay. Second one is obesity. Third one is smoking. Fourth one is undiagnosed vaginal bleeding. Fifth one is uterine leiomyomas. Sixth one is mentally ill patients. Second one is age above 35 years. Eighth one is mild hypertension. Remember, moderate and severe hypertension are absolute contraindications, whereas mild hypertension is relative contraindication. right? Ninth one is migraine. Tenth one is gallbladder disease. So these are the 10 relative contraindications. Let's revise the relative contraindications. First one is diabetes, right? First one is diabetes, second one is smoking, second one is obesity, third one is smoking, fourth one is undiagnosed vaginal bleeding, fifth one is leiomyoma, sixth one is mentally ill, seventh one is age above 35 years, eighth is mild hypertension, ninth is migraine, 10th is gallbladder disease. Okay, these are the relative and absolute contraindications for the usage of OC pills. Thank you for watching.